Slow ticket handling costs real money and trust. Help Scout says 90% of customers expect an immediate response. Fast, clear ticket management keeps teams lean and users happy. That's Lambros Bowers, Vice President at NetOps Consulting. When tickets pile up, users lose patience and start looking elsewhere. That's why it's critical to cut response times, categorize issues properly, and stay transparent with updates. Setting clear categories like hardware, software, network, and access helps teams route tickets faster. Tracking every ticket from start to finish stops issues from slipping through the cracks. Fast, clear replies matter too. Users want answers in plain language, not jargon. Templates help speed things up without making responses sound robotic. Prioritizing tickets by impact and urgency keeps teams focused on what matters most. Following SLAs and having clear escalation paths help fix the most serious issues first. Reducing ticket volume is possible. A solid self-service knowledge base, better product documentation, and automated routing all cut down on simple tickets. Knowing the most common issues, password resets, software installs, and network problems means teams can prepare guides and templates that save time. Closing tickets properly means confirming with the user, collecting feedback, and adding solutions to the knowledge base. Watching metrics like first response time, average resolution time, and customer satisfaction helps keep support sharp and users happy. You can read the full article on our website and add this podcast to your playlist for quick reference anytime.